The kahuna no talk loud. He just whisper. Then boom, you sick. One tea leaf, one bone, one name. That's all. No need the knife, no need blade, just the name and the right shade. Tea leaf, salt, one bowl from stone. He whispered to the kiʻi, now the God stay home. Kiʻi, that's the fetch of the tool with the bite. Hold mine from the spirit, no need see light. One image, one bundle, one kiʻi head. He feed him pork rum and call the dead. Unihipili, that's tutu's bone. Buried deep, now live alone. He clean him, pray him, dress him nice. Now the mana flow cold, not once but twice.
Hānai, ʻuhane. Hānai ke akua.
Feed the spirit, feed the God. Whatever you feed, that's what you get. You feed him revenge, you get one debt. Mine are not free, come with price. One wrong pool, you pay it twice.
Hānai.
Yeah, home honor, that's the conversation. Sickers creep in like slow dead end. One hair, one nail, one piece from you. Wrap him tight, put him by the emu. He light the fire, Kuni style. Smoke curl up, the gods they smile. He burn the leaf, chant the breath. Now the spirit ride him, go bring death. Akua no whole God live inside. Jump in the kahuna, he know can't hide. He talk like somebody else, I stay roll. Now he know what no man know.
Hānai
Kakawana huna
kakuhana.
Yeah, go now, destroy your enemy. He sent a spirit like bird in sky. Sometimes flame, sometimes fly. You see one light flash across the air. Too late, brother, he won't get there. Even the Ali, he scared the dark. They know man, no care who spark. Kalai pahoa, treat your poison sweet. You touch the sap, you lose your beat. Haku bird, even one stick can turn a weapon if the chance they slick. One kahuna can't heal, one can kill. Depends what God he choose fulfill. You think you safe with your lay and laugh, but that kahuna hold the other half. He know the names, the past the signs. He call the poor real loud.
Hānai akoria.
One name, one stone, one fire bright. One whisper send you out of sight. You play with the gods, no act dumb. You pray the wrong pool, your time come.
Hānai.
Still get the ones that practice. You don't see them, but they see you. You walk past the holler tree, you feel that.